Ever felt confused about your decision? Ever felt trapped between the wrong and right? If yes, then watch this video till end. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeo Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is understanding of right and wrong. So stay tuned with me till end. We are often trapped between our id and superego. Our two minds are split over our desires and our beliefs. We want to do certain things to either seek temporary pleasures or satisfaction in life. But our belief system pull us back from doing certain things which are wrong to the society. We acquire these beliefs either from our parents or the environment. These beliefs stops us from doing things what we want to do. This process starts as early as a kid. And as this process starts, we start having conflict with ourselves every day. All this leads to one question every day which remains unanswered most of the time. What I am doing is really wrong or right? Facts are those which are universally accepted. For example, green is green for all, sun is sun for all, sun emits light for all. What does not fall under this category are mere concepts. Then isn't right and wrong individual concepts? We all say robbing is wrong, it is a bad habit. But what would a kid dying out of hunger left with no money do as a survival instinct? Won't it be right for him? Isn't it his individual choice? Our sense of right and wrong is based on our learning of good and bad, which is taught to us in early childhood. Like eating mud is bad, brushing teeth and only eating is good habit. But all these are so well learned and feed into our mind that we accept this as facts. But as we grow with age, we find differences between the facts and the teachings. That is when our mind gets confused and we start questioning ourselves what we are doing is right or wrong. My friends, don't run away from this confusion. Don't run away from this question, as it is a sign of maturity, a sign of thinking, a sign of self-understanding. Beliefs are difficult to break, but if you choose to carry the same beliefs and same concepts throughout your life, you start limiting your self-growth. Questioning your own decision is the first step towards self-understanding and self-development. The more you start questioning yourself, the more variable will be your answers. Sometimes there might be answers which might be different from your taken decisions. My friends, at that point, don't regret. Just learn and move on. There will be more decisions in life to take, and that time you will be more clear with your own decisions. Let the life teach you its own concepts. Let's evolve with the evolving concepts. Remember not to compare your concepts with other concepts, but also remember to seek and explore each side of each concept. At last, right and wrong would not matter unless you keep learning with each decision that you make. I hope you found your answer. For any further queries, you can contact me on the below given details. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned every Monday. Thank you for watching till the end.